Hey there, it's Shay back again, and in this video I want to show you a network where I'm making money online and I'm actually getting paid for generating clicks. And in fact, I'm getting paid up to $6.30 per click. And this campaign is already making $300 a day. And I only just started it a few days ago. I've decided to show you these campaigns, the reports, and the earnings because I just recently showed the entire campaign, the inner workings of it all to my students. They were super motivated to see it, so that's why I thought, hey, why not show someone such as yourself as well? Maybe you haven't made even $1 online yet. That's okay. That's what I can help you with, as I've already done with many of my students. I can easily help you do the same. And hey, maybe you already are making some money and you want to get to that next level. I can help you there as well. So keep watching to the very end of this video. But right now, I just want to actually jump in right here to the first network. And I'm actually going to show you 3 different networks here. I've been running them all together using a click rotator. Alright, and if you don't understand some of the weird things that I'm saying here, that's okay. Just for this video, focus on what I'm showing in this video. And I may, you know what, I may even give you access to further things that I'm doing at the end of this video. So just take a look at what I'm doing here first. Alright, so I've just loaded up this campaign. I want to expand these 2 offers within this network alone. And I just want to quickly cruise over them. So I'm just going to show all 3 first. And I just want to see if you notice anything here. Alright, so check out this column here. As you can see, clicks is actually the same as sales. Alright, so this may be a little confusing so far. I'm just going to point out $2. Okay, and I'll actually say $2 per click I'm getting paid here. Alright, so this is to do with what I said at the start of this video again. And just to point out, I started it on the 8th. Alright, today is the 11th right now, the 11th of May. And we're just over halfway through the day. So barely even 4 days done. Definitely not yet. In this network, I just want to point out, look at the RPCs, revenue per click. Average $4.74, top of $5.15 per click. And as I said at the start of this video, in this network here, check this out, $6.30 per click. Alright, and again, all the same days running here because I'm splitting out the single traffic source amongst all these 3 different networks. Alright, so I'm just going to come back to this one just to make things a little more clear. Alright, so these offers were actually rotating within this one network together. Alright, so I sent 343 clicks, and again, because I'm getting paid specifically for generating clicks, it just shows 100% conversion rate. Alright, so that's usually that would not be like that if you are, getting paid for generating leads or sales. But as you can see in this network, I'm actually getting paid for generating clicks. And this network actually, it does range quite a bit, although it was converting really well and I pushed a little further traffic compared to the other networks to this one. Alright, so $702 has been made in this network. Alright, I'll go just back to network number 2 here. As you can see, just today alone I've pushed 28 clicks. But, because I'm getting paid $4.45 on, today so far, this will change again yet, but $124.54 made. So even this, just alone, is already more than double the payout per click compared to the previous network. Alright, so it's pretty cool already. I'm just going to go back to the 3rd one again. As you can see, again, $6.16 average, but it got up to so far $6.30. So again, basically another $2 on top of the previous network, the second one. Alright, so each of these networks has basically, jumped up $2 per click each time. The first network was $2 per click. The next one was around $4 or so per click. And this one right here up and over $6 per click. So it's really cool, and as I said at the start of this video, I'm giving you the opportunity to get in on the inside to see how I am actually doing this. I'm only certainly going to have this open for a short amount of time because I really enjoy working closely with each one of my students. And you know what, I plan on keeping it that way for as long as I can. So, if you are serious, and I mean truly serious, and you really want to know how in the world I'm doing this and getting paid for just generating clicks, and just again, how am I making new campaigns that are already making $300 plus a day? If you want to know, then all you have to do is take action now. Do it right now. Just click the link at the top of the description. It'll just be a really short bit.ly link that I just throw in there so you can click it. Click that now and go over to my site. And I'm actually just going to go over to my site so you can see what you will actually see when you're there. Alright, so I'm just on my site here. Now all you have to do is really simple, and that is just to enter in your best email address right here. Alright, so enter that in and then just click the Get Instant Access button here. That's going to give you full access straight away. On the next page you'll get access, but there is just one little thing that I need you to do, and that is to go check your email. Alright, so the email address that you just typed in and entered into my site, go check that inbox and look for my welcome email that I'm shortly going to send to you. Because in that email, I'm going to be giving you a bunch of super important information that is going to help you get started right now. Alright, so I want to help you get started quickly, so it's important that you go open up that email and follow along with what I have for you in there. So go complete these steps right now, do it now. Thanks so much for watching my video here, and I look forward to working with you really soon.